I believe that when I go, it will be sudden. When I realised that there was little that could be done, I just wanted to be at home, doing all the things I love doing with Mum, Dad and the family. I have missed so much of family life and my brother and sister growing up. Now, I just want to be at home with the people I love. I want to give my family a lot of good memories by having a great Christmas with everyone. My decision, in the end, was simple. I believe that when I go, it will be sudden, like a click. I believe I will see a lot of people, friends who have died, and be reunited with them. I believe I will see my family again, that we won't really be separated.